Welcome to Let's Learn Arabic. Do you want to learn Arabic in a fun and easy way? Today we're going to watch animated videos where the teacher will ask our friends to do different actions. Your job is to copy exactly what they do. Just watch and practice until you remember the words. Get ready to copy the boys' actions.
امشي. قف. امشي. قف.
Did you copy the boys' actions? Shall we do that again? Get ready to copy the boys' actions.
امشي. قف. امشي. قف.
Shall we watch that one last time? Get ready to copy the boys' actions.
امشي. قف. امشي. قف.
Congratulations! You have learned 2 Arabic words.
امشي.
And
قف. امشي.
means walk.
قف.
Means stop. Why don't you practice these 2 words with a friend? And then when you are ready, you can move on to the next video to learn some more Arabic words.